welcome back to my channel Soul Youth and Picard this side. How are you guys doing? So I am back with the new pick a card reading for you guys. We will talk about today is what they want you to know. Okay, what do your partners, your crush, your boyfriends want you to know, or some person you are admiring, what they want you to know, and they are just keeping it to themselves. Why are they not coming up and telling you what they feel like? Okay, so we'll talk in detail about all these things. If you have not subscribed to my channel, firstly subscribe to my channel, and I also have some runes for you here. Okay, so you can choose the pile based on the runes or just the number 1, 2, and 3. Pick a pile you are feeling more connected with. Okay, close your eyes, take a deep breath, pick your pile, and I'll see you there. So, if the people have chosen pile number 1, let's see what this person is not telling you. Okay, with the runes, firstly, I have this rune which tells me that there is some kind of a victory, there is some kind of a success that is awaited, or it is something like they are waiting for some kind of a settlement in their life, or maybe some kind of a growth. Okay, and with that growth, I feel once they achieve that growth, they want to move forward with you, they want to take this relationship to the next level, or maybe they are not telling you this thing, and once they achieve this success, okay, and then they tell you about it, then they'll talk to you about it, then they will express their feelings about it, they will express feelings for you, or they will propose to you maybe, or it could also talk about maybe taking your relationship to the next level, but they are not telling you about the success, this work that they're putting in. They are not saying what they are feeling right now because they want the success to come in their life and then they want to express themselves. So let's see what the cards have to tell us now. So firstly, I have the Fool. Okay, start of a new journey. Maybe they have started a new job, maybe they have started some kind of a new business, started some kind of a new project, started some kind of a new work. Okay, and then we have the King of Pentacles. So yes, they are going towards that success, they are planning that success, that financial growth, they are seeking something financially in their life, they are seeking some growth in their life. And then we have the Four of Swords telling me that they don't want to take an action right now. They don't want to say something right now because they are waiting for this success. They are waiting for something big to happen in their life. And then they would want to connect with you on more deeper levels, or maybe say what they feel like, or maybe just express themselves once they are able to achieve this place, achieve this job, achieve this success in business, which they have been waiting for. Then we have financial hardship, Cinnamon, Jasmine, riding wave of emotional tide, and Clove, move forward. So what these 3 cards here are telling me that they are going through some kind of financial hardships. That's why they are waiting for the success. Maybe there was no success earlier in their work area, or maybe they were going through some kind of hardships in their job, in their business. Okay, and they are waiting for that success, and then they want to move forward with you, they want to take this relationship to the next level after these hardships are over, and these emotional problems that they are facing, they once they are all over, they are ready to move ahead, they want to move ahead with you, they are thinking about you. So you do not think much about it. I feel you should just relax. Okay, it's okay, they want to take their time, they want to build something and then take this relationship forward, and then with the move forward, yes, this is what the rune also told us, they want to move forward with you, they want to have a relationship with you, a long lasting relationship with you. But currently, because of these financial hardships, these emotional problems that they have been facing, something new that they have started, this relationship is currently not building up, or maybe not moving forward, or maybe it has stopped right now. They want to take this relationship forward for sure, and they are planning that. But once their financial goals are met, after their business goals or some kind of a goal they have set in their mind, is met, after this goal is met, they want to move ahead. Right now they want to just stay here, stay in this Four of Swords position. Then we have look at the bigger picture, full moon in Sagittarius. So they are trying to look at the bigger picture and understand, once they have this financial stability, once they have this money, once they have this job, okay, then this relationship can go forward. Then they can maybe propose to you. Then they can maybe plan a family ahead, or maybe just say things which they have been waiting to tell you about this relationship moving forward. And then we have petalite. Petalite is a crystal which works on your heart chakra, okay? It balances your heart and your mind. So I think here it is telling to me that this person here is trying to balance. They are trying to balance their work life and their personal life. They are seeking some kind of a balance, okay? They are releasing those emotions, okay? Releasing that wave of emotions that is currently they are struggling with that kind of a emotional structure, or maybe they are struggling currently with what has happened in their past, okay, and whatever they have started new, they are struggling, they are working towards it, they are going through some kind of hardships, okay, and they want these hardships to end, and then they want to say things to you, they want to express themselves to you. And then we have take a break. So what the take a break here is telling me that yes, there are a lot of opportunities that they are working on right now, but they need to take some rest as well. They need to take some break as well. And when they want to take a break, they want to connect with you. Wherever they are free, they want to connect with you and talk to you on deeper levels. They want to know you better, but they are not able to do that because they're too consumed in their work. So I feel somehow this King of Pentacles is what represents them. They are working on something, building something, and they want to take break in between. They want to connect with you, they want to spend some time with you, but they are not able to maybe take out that much time. So please don't take it like they are not interested in you. They are interested in you, they are interested in this long-term relationship, they are interested in moving forward with you. But I currently recommend that you also take it easy, okay? If they are currently taking their time, they are building something, and then they want to move ahead with you, then you should not worry about it. Maybe give it them some time. Take some break, okay? Take some break and let them also unwind themselves. Whatever is going in their life, whatever progress is happening in their work area, in their emotional issues, whatever emotional issues they are letting go of, give them some time and let them also feel happy, make them happy. Maybe they can use this jasmine essential oil. This will work wonders for them because this will give them that uplifting vibe that they need right now. So now let's pick up some messages for you, okay? Some kind of a message that they want you to know, something that you want you to know for pile one, what they want you to know. Okay, so let's see what message we have. They are falling in love with you. They are falling in love with you, okay? And they are missing you because they're busy in their work. They're not able to contact you. They're not able to talk to you that much, but they are missing you. They want to move forward. So again, move forward. Okay, we have to move forwards, and then with three move forward, they want to move forward with you. They want to have a happy relationship with you. And yes, then we have love you. They love you. They love you deeply. They miss you. They have strong feelings for you. They want to build a future with you. So pile number one, a long-term future is what I see here for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel. People have chosen pile number two. Let's see what are they not telling you, what they want you to know. Okay, so with this, I feel firstly there is some kind of secrets that are there. Okay, so maybe there are some kind of secrets that will reveal themselves very soon, and I feel you both have a very strong sexual compatibility, and this relationship is heading towards growth. There is a lot of fire in this relationship. It is heading towards growth, and it also tells me that you both are soulmates. Okay, you both are sexually compatible with each other. You both are heading towards a relationship which is going to grow for both of you, okay? And what this person here is feeling is that they want you to initiate something in this relationship. They are waiting for you to initiate something, okay? Or maybe you are waiting for them to take the first step. So someone is waiting for you to take the first step. And you both are soulmates. So I feel that there is a strong connection here between both of you. Now let's see what the cards have to tell us. So firstly, we have the Six of Swords, the King of Cups, and the Emperor. So with the Six of Swords, I feel they are moving away from something which was negative, some kind of a negative atmosphere. It could be just some kind of negative thought patterns that they had made, or maybe some kind of negative associations that they had in their mind earlier related to relationships, maybe related to you. They are moving out of those negative patterns and they are balancing themselves. They are balancing their emotions now. So they are working strongly on their emotions. Maybe they would have said you something out of anger, is what I feel. So they are working on it. They are working on themselves. They are working away from this negative pattern that they had. And I feel with the King of Cups here, they are ready to express themselves. They are feeling they want to give you a lot of love. They want to share their love with you, is what I feel. And they have been in the past controlling themselves, controlling this feeling of love that they have for you. But now they want to express these feelings to you. So maybe very soon they will come and express this to you, because they have been holding on from very long, is what I feel. And that is somehow building in that fire in them of not being able to express what they have been waiting to express to you. So I feel you have this fire, both of you have this fire. So this can sometimes cause some kind of conflicts, okay? This could cause some kind of fights between both of you. So fights might be a part of your relationship, but that does not and should not spoil your relationship, okay? You have to go with the flow, okay? And maybe forgive each other for what has been said in anger, okay? Maybe there has been issues where he might have said you something in anger, you might have replied back. Or it could also talk about a third person, maybe, okay? Maybe that person has caused this kind of a conflict between both of you. And they are ready to work on it. They want to work on it and they want to balance this relationship with you. And they will soon express themselves, I feel. They will soon tell you about things that you never knew about. And they will soon be revealing some secrets to you, is what I feel. So some kind of new information, I think, is coming your way. With this rune also telling us this new information is coming to you. The secret is being revealed to you soon. Then we have Melissa, trust in your abilities, and Lang Lang, childlike innocence. So I feel they are trusting themselves and then they are taking this leap of faith, okay? They are going to express themselves just by having that trust in themselves, or they know that you will try and understand them. And somehow I feel these problems that they have going through, maybe from their childhood, okay? It could also talk about they having some problems because of their childhood, because of the problems that they have faced in their childhood as a child, okay? With the Lang Lang here, I feel there is some kind of innocence in them. They have this innocence which makes you just connect with them. That takes your heart away, okay? They have this childlike innocence in them when they say things to you. Maybe they are saying it in anger, but that there is innocence. There's a lot of innocence in whatever they want to tell you, okay? Whatever they want to express to you. And you might feel a strong connection with them, is what I also feel here. And then we have luck is on your side, new moon in Sagittarius. So luck is on your side. So believe in it. Believe in your luck, okay? With the Six of Swords, they are moving ahead of these negative patterns. They are moving out of them. And there is luck on your side, on the side of your relationship. And they are soon going to express this, okay? They are soon going to tell you the truth. And then we have soul family. So yes, they are a part of your soul family. And then the council of light. So this person you are thinking about is a soul family member, and your soul family is working to connect you both, to get you both together. Okay, they are working to get this relationship working if there has been having some problems. So I feel this angels are around you. They want you to connect, they want you to have this relationship in the future, they want you to have this relationship, to move forward in this relationship. And then we have Calcoporite. So what the Calcoporite here talks about is the shift. Okay, there is a lucky shifts that are coming. Okay, there is moving forward after they tell you what they feel about you. So soon they are expressing that truth, what they feel about you. Soon the secret is getting revealed. Okay, you both have this fire. Okay, so tone down. Okay, for whatever you are going to say to them, it's always you should try starting with a positive tone. Okay, because I feel with this anger that you both have, okay, it could just cause conflicts. So what you can do to make this relationship work forward for you is to tone down. Okay, watch your tone when you talk to them. So I feel there is this strong relationship we are talking about here. This is a very, very strong relationship guided divinely. Now, let's see what messages we have for you. Okay. So, let's see what the messages have to tell us. You make them happy. Okay. So, your presence just make them feel uplifted. Okay. They connect with the childlike innocence just by you being around them. Wait for me. Okay, they are working on themselves. Okay, so they are asking you to wait for them, wait for when they can reveal what they are feeling. Then there is proposed that there must be a proposal coming your way. So maybe they have been feeling like they want to tell you these things, and now they are soon going to propose to you. And then we have attractive. They feel you are very attractive and you attract them. Your childlike innocence attracts them. Okay. So pile number 2, that is what I have for you guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. For the people chosen, pile number 3. Let's see what the runes are telling us firstly. So with the runes here, I feel what you sow is so shall you reap. That is coming to me. Okay, so whatever you're putting into your relationship, you are going to get that. So if you are putting in that negativity into this relationship, this is not getting positive for you. And if you are thinking about this person but you are not putting positive thoughts into it, there are going to be obstacles, there are going to be ups and downs. So I think it could also talk about some kind of a relationship issue that you might have gone through in your past or with this person. Okay, and I feel this person is currently resolving those past relationship issues that they had faced, and they could feel they have to understand things better this time, and they are trying to work better this time in this relationship. Or maybe in the past, in the same relationship, you guys have had obstacles, you guys have had ups and downs. Okay, so these ups and downs are now getting solved. They are trying to solve all these ups and downs. Okay, and you do not need words to exchange. Okay, you just understand. Okay, so they are trying to understand, they are not talking about it, they are just trying to observe and understand is what is coming to me. Now let's see what the cards have to tell us. Okay, firstly we have the 9 of Swords, the 7 of Swords, the Ace of Swords, then the 9 of Cups, Okay, so this person here has been through a lot of negativity. They have a lot of negative thoughts in them, or maybe they are clearing those negative thought patterns that they have been going through from their past relationships, from the people they have dated in the past. These negative patterns are embedded because of them, or maybe because of this relationship going through some kind of ups and downs. I feel maybe because this relationship had those problems in the past, okay, and they are working on it. They are trying to understand you better with the Ace of Swords. I feel they are trying to get in the same wavelength as you, and they are working on this relationship. They want to clear their thoughts with you, they want to understand you, they are working towards it. I feel this is something they are currently doing. They might not be telling you this thing, but they are doing this. They are kind of creating this positivity in this relationship, okay. They are working to create this Nine of Cups moment. It feels like this relationship is going towards progress, it is going towards positivity, okay, and you both are understanding each other. Especially this person is working towards it, okay. They are trying to understand you on more deeper levels, letting go of what has happened in their past, or maybe letting go of this dark night and rising into the sunshine is what I feel here. Then we have Chamomile. Connect with the inner child. Clear Sage. Spiritual clarity and visions. And frankincense, drive out evil and negativity. So yes, this negativity is what I see here, okay. This negativity, they are driving out this negativity, okay, and getting into this clarity, this vision. With this clarity, with the Ace of Swords and this clarity card, I feel there is clarity coming to them. They are understanding things which they might have not understood in the past. And with the Nine of Cups, they are connecting. They are connecting with you. They are letting go of the things of the past. They are with the Chamomile. It's just so refreshing, so uplifting energy. I feel there is a strong connection they are trying to build with you here. So I feel your partner here is working on themselves, working on this relationship. They want this relationship to grow. They want this relationship to build. They want to understand you on more better levels is what I feel. And maybe they are already working on it. They are already doing things to understand you more. Maybe they are not telling you this thing, but they are trying to understand you here. Then we have your commitment is being tested. So yes, they are committed towards you. They are putting their energies towards you, okay. They are putting all their thoughts towards you, okay, and releasing those negative, those dark nights. So with the first quarter moon here is telling us that there is commitment they are focusing on. They are committed towards you. Maybe they have you in your dream list now, okay, and they want to be with you, okay. So there's good news coming your way. They are working towards making this relationship progress. Then we have the Mirror. Who or what is triggering you? So what has been triggering them in the past? What has been the negativity that has actually spoiled the relationship in the past? They are trying to understand those triggers. They are trying to work on those triggers, which were the negative patterns that they had consumed in their past. So then we have the Vantonite. So the Vantonite here is telling me that there is a lot of healing energy, okay. There's a lot of healing that is happening for them, okay. They are going through a time of healing. They are connecting to Mother Earth. They are grounding themselves. They are connecting with you on a better way. I feel they are connecting with you by releasing these negative patterns, by maybe releasing those negative people that have been putting things in their ears, okay. They have been telling them that this thing is not going to work. They are putting everything, this negativity, into rest, okay, and they are moving ahead with you. They are moving ahead in this relationship with you. They are waiting to move ahead with you in this relationship. They are going to say things to you soon once they get clear in their mind about what and when they are ready about it. I think there is some clearing that is going on right now in their life, and once they are clear about it, they are moving ahead with you in their lives, and there's a lot of positivity that is coming in this relationship. They are feeling very positive very soon. Okay, so very soon things are going to turn all rosy, okay, for you guys. So now let's see what messages we have for you. Let's see what they have to tell us. There is reconciliation. Okay, so for some of you guys, there is a reconciliation that is happening. Then we have seeking forgiveness. Okay, so they are seeking your forgiveness. Maybe they have done something in the past. They are seeking forgiveness for that. They admire you. So I feel some of you are getting admired by this person. Okay, they are admiring you. So that is what I have for you, pile number 3. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel.